What's up, people? It's G-Kue, your host for today's video on motorcycledestination.com. You want to ride a road that will absolutely push you to your limits? Well, the Devil's Triangle is a route that is absolutely diabolical. Located just above Oak Ridge, Tennessee, the Devil's Triangle is a 44-mile loop that connects Tennessee Route 62, 116, and 330. It has some of the most unique twisty roads in America. There are hairpin turns, very steep drop-offs, rock cliffs, and more. The interesting and the technical parts start west of Petros, Tennessee, with curves that rival the tail of the dragon, and there are some long sweepers through some small towns. One of the main differences between the tail of the dragon and the Devil's Triangle is that on the Devil's Triangle, you actually have opportunities to check out the beautiful scenery that surrounds you. I will say that this is not a route for beginners, and I will give this a 4 out of 5 pins on the difficulty scale. Not only is the terrain difficult, but you will have to contend with the wildlife that can dart into the road at any given time, and also plenty of ATVs that frequent the area. All in all, if you're up for the challenge and you truly want to push yourself, give the Devil's Triangle a spin. And for more information on that route, hit up motorcycledestination.com and check out our next destination right here. Peace.